Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save documents as templates on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started using ClickUp and you're creating some scope of works. How do you actually go ahead and save these documents as templates so that you can reuse the same scope of work as a basis template? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto a document. Then there's multiple ways that you could actually go ahead about doing so. On the right-hand side here, you're going to see this magic wand. Click on it and then click on Save as Template. So by saving it as a template, you'll actually go ahead and create this document and use it as a template. You can share it with other members, only yourself, or specific people. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and save a document as a template on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.